Hey loves, welcome back. I will be doing a voiceover for this video as this is my first take on a room tour. So just to get started, we're in the foyer now where there's a bench to my right and a table with no chairs to my left. Nice large space, and this is just a utility closet that I'm pulling, being nosy. And as we continue to push forward, this suite has a very much so lofty urban vibe that I love. And you see here, there's this looks like a old school radio, but it's actually a Bluetooth speaker. And baby, that speaker will have the whole suite jumping. I love that speaker so much. But again, there's floor to ceiling windows. I want to say, what is it, like 90% of the suite, just about every wall except for like where the foyer is covered with windows. We were welcomed with champagne, and that's just a nice little welcome gift, some champagnes and chocolates that did not appease our palate. But I must say about these windows, you guys, these windows are not actually fully tinted. They're only tinted very so slightly. If you're standing on the street, you can see straight into the rooms. So someone in Nashville definitely got a little show. And, it just is what it is. You would think that these windows would be tinted, but now I'm just turning the attention to the quote unquote living room area. Again, keeping up with that urban theme, marble accents, nice TV here, lots of lighting. I should have recorded at night where all the lighting is in the room. It's so beautiful. But here's the kind of wet bar area where there's some waters and a sink if you wanted to make some drinks, and a fridge underneath the counter. So we're just going to keep making our way around town, walking fast. My husband is trying to stay out of the way of the camera, so just ignore him. And I'm also trying to avoid to not get him in it as well. But just check out all of these accents. It was a king size bed, nice full length mirror. I think there were two phones in the unit. They have some cool reading lights up there at the top. Those gold bars actually pop out and are specialized lights right over the bed, which is pretty cool. Like I said, I'm just loving the aesthetic that's going on in this space. And here again, once I turn to my left, you will see there is also another TV here. If you can't watch TV on just the other side of the wall, here's another one. Okay. So now we're going to turn our attention to the bathroom. I am a sucker for tubs. I don't even always get a chance to use a tub when I come in to stays, but I just love a bathroom with a clawfoot or a deep soaking tub. Here you have this mirror in front of the tub. Now this is a huge tub. My husband, hey y'all, my husband is like 6'3". I'm 5'5" and some change. And we both could fit in this tub comfortably. You cannot even see how big this tub is right now at this angle, but this is a huge tub, and that is hard to find, right? So then you also have this extended, huge walk-in frameless shower that I loved with the subway tiles. I sound like I'm on HGTV, y'all. So I did not, unlike the presidential suite we stayed in, I did not get close enough or care about to remember to post what type of products they have supplied. But that's that. And then here is the bathroom with enclosed bathrooms. I don't know about you all, but I'm not a fan of toilets just not having a door. I don't want to see or smell your business. It just is what it is. So I'm happy about that. I love, again, the aesthetics. It's a pretty wallpaper. I just love how everything was architecturally put together. And we're turning around now to check out the marble countertop, double vanity sinks with soaps included. A lot of great lighting in here, which is very perfect. Plenty of towels. I did not show the closet, but there were also robes in the closet as well. And really, that's all, folks. So I'll see you on my next adventure.